Let's make bread. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and I share easy, quick recipes which you will fall in love with it. This bread was absolutely soft and perfect. Just look at that, very chewy and fluffy, soft. I just don't know how I should describe it, so I just want you to spend some time with me so I share the recipe with you. Thank you so much. Without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's activity. I have with me here my 3 cups of water. You can as well use your milk if that is what you want. You can just dilute your evaporated milk and then you are good to go with water. Okay, I've added 1 tablespoon of yeast, half cup of sugar. Okay, yes, mix it very well and then put it somewhere warm so that we will check on it after some few minutes. This is how it looks. So it does not mean by force you have to use a tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of yeast to activate the yeast. You can even add 2,000 cups of your sugar to your yeast. That should be okay. It won't do anything. Okay, yeah. Now I added my 8 cups, so a kilo of flour. That is all-purpose flour. I have added extra half cup of sugar, making 1 cup of sugar is to 8 cups of flour. I've then added a pinch of salt to that. Why would I make bread without adding my nutmeg? Because that will elevate the flavor. So I've added just a teaspoon of nutmeg. Now you can add as well omit it if you don't like nutmeg. Okay, I don't like it so much like that. That is why I use just a teaspoon. Okay, another thing I want you to know as a beginner is that you always have to ensure that the milk, the water that you'll be using should be warm before you add your yeast and then the sugar. I added 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, you did not see it because it was 4 o'clock and my alarm was alerting me, so it couldn't capture that part. Okay, so I added 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, now go ahead and then mix everything and then we can proceed. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for your time. I don't take it for granted. Thank you for always watching my videos. I'm so grateful. Now you make sure you mix this to get that soft dough so that you will not struggle when kneading your dough. So make sure the liquid is enough, whether the milk or the water that you'll be using. So that is actually what I'm doing now. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us there for more videos. You can as well melt all your butter and then add it to it. Okay, but I just want to add the 2 tablespoons and then I will use the rest to knead the dough. As you can see, I have that perfect dough in the bowl. It is not hard and it is not very soft, but I still have some flour in there, so I'll continue with the mixing and then get everything uniform before I transfer it to the working surface. Someone may ask, can I add milk powder? If you want to, you can go ahead and do so, but I have never so far added any milk powder to my dough before because of my husband. Maybe if I want to do it or add it to it, it means he's not going to enjoy some. Okay, we are going to prepare another one for him. So if you want to add it to it, you can go ahead and then do so. I will just make sure everything is well mixed. Now let's transfer it to the working surface and then knead the dough very well. This is where the real work start from, the hard work start from. So knead it very well. Yes, put your strength on it. You just don't have to knead it for 5 minutes and then stop. Okay, and then again, I just want to remind you, you are not Queen Elizabeth. Okay. So don't be afraid that some of the dough will stick to your hand, but if you don't like it, you can just go ahead and then buy your bread outside. But if you make it at home, you save some coins. Okay, yes, the hard work with it. Yeah, so I'll continue kneading, adding the butter to it bit by bit till I am good to go. Adding the butter to it bit by bit does not add anything to the dough. Okay, you can add all at once, but just that I don't want to add flour to it. That is why I use the butter instead. Okay, so if you add it bit by bit, that is not going to make it soft. That is not going to make it hard. It does not contribute anything to your dough. Okay, the place is noisy. That is why I was talking on top of my voice. Yeah, simple. As you can see, it is soft, but we are still not done kneading it. I have been kneading this for about 30 minutes and still it is not well kneaded. So we will continue kneading it till we get that outcome we are looking for. I've added some butter again, and this is how we have gotten to. In all, I used a stick of butter, and now I'm going to cover it and then keep it in a warm place for an hour or more, because the place is not hot. Okay, the place is warm, the place is cold. Okay, so it took a very long time, about almost 2 hours before I got to this point. Okay, so I'm just going to mold it into round shape. Before that, I took some of the air out, and now this is what we have. I'm going to do the same thing or repeat it so I am done with everything, and then I arrange them. Okay, tension is on me because the place is noisy, but it's okay. We will still create the content. I am done. I will just go ahead, arrange them, keep it in a warm place for an hour. Now I am brushing the top with my egg, and we will just go ahead and keep it in the oven till it is ready. We will repeat the same thing. Trust me, I needed the dough more than 2 hours. Yes, but the result worth it. Okay, yeah, it's worth it. Now I'll go ahead and then cut it, and then we are good to go. Just look at that, very, very soft, and I was so happy I got this result, or I achieved this. Okay, because it was perfect. This day the dough was too much for me. Just look at that, so soft. It was too much for me, so I told myself I'm not going to prepare bread plenty like this again. I will be doing it bit by bit, maybe small quantity. And before I realized, I made bread yesterday, and the quantity I did was like 2 times of this. The way I suffered, I'll share the recipe with you. We will talk about that later. So this is how it looks. This, I didn't want to cut them, but you can see it is very soft because it is the same dough, but I just want to keep it in the wrap, and then when we are ready we will cut it. Okay, just look at that, so soft, very, very soft. Thank you so much for watching till this point, and please do not forget to like the video, share to others. I will see you in another recipe which I know you will love it. Okay, so I come your way next time. Do good, love yourself first, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.